প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী সবাইকে আজকে ক্লাসে শুভেচ্ছা জানাই। আশা করি সবাই ভালো আছো এবং নিয়মিত আমাদের ক্লাসগুলো দেখছো। আমি সুফলা ক্রুশ, অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্ট টিচার, সেন্ট জোসেফ স্কুল অ্যান্ড কলেজ, বনপাড়া, নাটোর। Look at the picture and try to make present, past and future tense. I read in this school. আমি এই বিদ্যালয়ে লেখাপড়া করি। I was a student of this school. আমি এই বিদ্যালয়ের ছাত্র ছিলাম। I shall read in this school. আমি এই বিদ্যালয়ে লেখাপড়া করব। Lesson declaration. So our today's topic is tense. Learning outcomes. After completing this lesson, students will be able to say how many kinds of tense, more classification of tense, make correct sentence according to different rules of tense, read sentence or passage present to past or future tense. Definition and classification. টেন্স অর্থ কাল বা সময়। ইংরেজি শেখার ক্ষেত্রে টেন্সের গুরুত্ব অপরিসীম। এর জন্য টেন্সকে ইংরেজিতে ভাষার প্রাণ বলা হয়। অতএব কোনো কার্য সংঘটিত হওয়ার সময়কেই টেন্স বলে। There are three kinds of tense. They are present tense, past tense, future tense. More classification. Again, these tenses have divided into four forms. They are indefinite, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. Structure of present tense. Indefinite, subject plus main verb plus object. Present continuous, subject plus am is are plus verb plus ing plus object. Present perfect, subject plus have or has plus past participle of verbs plus object. Present perfect continuous, subject plus have been or has been plus verb plus ing plus since or for plus object. Now try to make 4 sentences according to above structure. 1. I eat rice. Number 2. I am eating rice. Number 3. I have eaten rice. Number 4. I have been eating rice for 1 hour. Structure of past tense. Past indefinite, subject plus past form of verb plus object. Past continuous, subject plus was or were plus verb plus ing plus object. Past perfect, subject plus had plus past participle of verbs plus object. past perfect continuous, subject plus had been plus verb plus ing plus object. Now try to make 4 sentences according to above structure. Number 1, I ate rice. Number 2, I was eating rice. We were eating rice. Number 3, I had eaten rice before the bell rang. Number 4, I had been reading in the primary school for 5 years. Structure of future tense. Future indefinite, subject plus shall or will plus verb plus object. Future continuous, subject plus shall be or will be plus verb plus ing plus object. Future perfect, subject plus shall have or will have plus past participle of verbs plus object. Future perfect continuous, subject plus shall have been or will have been plus verb plus ing plus since or for plus object. Now try to make 4 sentences according to above structure. Number 1, I shall eat rice. Number 2, I shall be eating rice. Number 3, I shall have eaten rice or we will have eaten rice. Number 4, I shall have been reading in this school for 5 years. প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা, আশা করি টেন্স সম্পর্কে সবার কিছুটা হলেও ধারণা হয়েছে। মন দিয়ে ক্লাস শোনার জন্য সবাইকে অনেক ধন্যবাদ।